Hello everyone, welcome to channel IGCSE&GCE MATHS SCHOOL. We are discussing the paper 2H of Mathematics A of Edexcel IGCSE January 2023. We have already discussed 16 questions this paper. Today we are going to discuss from question 17. Right. Look at what question 17 has for us. Now look at question 17A. They say given that 8 root 3 m plus root 49m minus root 9m equals k root m. Work out the value of k, value of k, this k, value of this k, where k is an integer. Then k is an integer, is a negative or positive whole number. Then and m is a prime number. This m is a prime number. Okay. We will do that. We will try to find the value of k in part A. Right. Question I will write first of all the question 8 root m plus 49 m root 49m minus root 9 m. Okay. Now we can write here 8 square root m plus square root of 49 is 7, can write it as square root m here. We don't know the square root of m, we write square root m, right? Minus square root 9 is 3. And then the square root m is not known, you write here square root m. Now these are surds, then this there are 3 surds here. In those 3 surds, the surd factor is the same. Surd factor here is root m. Here surd factor is root m. Here also surd factor is root m. Therefore, these are 3 surd terms with equal surd factors. Then when the surd factors are equal, then surds with the equal surd factors are called like surds. They are called like surds. Then like surds can be added and subtracted. So you can now here there are 8 root m's, here 7 root m's, then minus 3 root m's. Then you can add these two together, they both are positive. Directed numbers, rules of directed numbers apply. Positive at 8 to 15m minus that 3m. Then 15 minus 3m, again the surds of the same surd factor, therefore these two are like terms. And from 15 you read at 3, then you get 12 surd of root m. That is the answer. Right. Now we go to the second part. Second one they say, part B. They say you want to show that 5 minus root 18 3 over 1 minus root 2. Then you have to show that this 5 minus root 18 divided by 1 minus root 2 can be written in the form a plus b root 2, where a and b are integers. We will see how it can be done. Right. Now in this one, you have to show this as a plus b square root 2. We have to show this in this form. Now here there is a denominator, but here there is no denominator. That means they have removed the denominator. How do you remove how would they have removed the denominator? By rationalizing the denominator. Therefore we have to rationalize the denominator. Then we rationalize this denominator. Now we use the principle, this is a squared minus b squared equals a plus b, a minus b. We use this relationship. These are factors of difference of 2 squares. If you have these factors, product of these factors, instead of this product, you can put this a squared minus b squared. If you have a squared minus b squared in some place, you can write these 2 factors instead of that in that place. So you can here, when you rationalize this kind of denominators, you multiply this by another factor to make here factors of difference of two squares. To make this into a factors of pair of factors of difference of two squares, you have to multiply this by 1 plus root 2, like that. Then this is like this. See, a is 1, b is root 2, then a plus b, 1 plus root 2, a minus b, 1 minus root 2. Then when you multiply this by that, you multiply this root. Whenever you have to rationalize a denominator like this, you have to multiply by the factor that will make here the factors of difference of two squares. Then for example, let's say you have been given something like this, 5 root 18 and divided by 1 plus square root right here. Then here to rationalize this denominator, to see which factor should be multiplied by this to make it difference of two squares, to make it factors of difference of two squares. Then in fact the factors of difference of two squares a plus b, a minus b. Then here we have a plus b. Now we have multiplied a minus b, that is 1 root 2, 1 minus root 2. When you multiply that and in the numerator, you have denominator by that, you have to multiply this numerator also by the same 1 minus root 2. The same thing here. Here we have 1 minus root 2. Then to make here factors of difference of two squares, we have to multiply by 1 plus root 2 in the denominator. And when the denominator is multiplied by this one, we have to multiply numerator also by the same thing, 1 plus root 2. Okay. So now you multiply. Okay. 5 times 1, 5. 5 times root 2, 5 root 2. Then minus 18 times 1, that is minus root 18 times 1 is minus root 18. Then minus root 18 times root 2 is 2 times 18, root 36, minus root 36. That is the top part. Then this one is difference of two squares. Here, if you have this, you can write this, and therefore, as you have this, you can write in this form. What is that form? 1 squared minus root 2 squared. Okay. Root 2 squared, right? Then we will do here 5. You can write 5 plus 5 root 2. Then this 18, root 18 we can write. Root 18 equals, you can factor 9 times 2. 9 into 2, like this. Then root 9 is 3, then root 2. Then you can write this 18 as 3 root 2. Then we will write here minus 3 root 2. Right here, square root 36 is 6. 6 times 6 is 36. Therefore, square root 36 is 6, the minus 6. Then this one here, 1 squared is 1. Square root 2 squared. How can you find square root 2? Square root 2 squared. Like this. This means square root 2 into square root 2. Then square root 2 into 2 is square root 4. Square root 4 equals 2. Then here, then you can write 2. This one, minus 2. Right, okay. Now, 5 minus 6 is how much? I'll write here. 5 minus 6 minus 1. Then 5 minus 5 root 2 minus 3 root 2. They are like sets, can be subtracted in minus 1 then that one is plus 2 root 2, because 5 minus 3 like surds, root 2 surd factors are equal, surd factors are root 2 root 2. So therefore you can like surds can be subtracted, 5 minus 3 is 2, 2 root 2, then that is on top, then at the bottom you get 1 minus 1 minus 1, right? 1 minus 1 minus 1, then we can divide by minus 1 both here, then minus 1 divided by minus 1, 1 plus 1, then you divide the two numbers of the same sign, answer is plus, that is the divided number rule, right? Okay, then minus 1 divided by minus 1, 1, then 2 root 2 divided by minus 1, minus 2 root 2, then we go to that, and then this is in the form they say a plus b, then here a plus b root 2, okay, what is saying a is equals 1, b equals how much, minus 2 here. Okay, that's all. Okay, that's all about that question. Have a nice time. I stop the video here, and have a nice time. Wishing you very good time, nice time, and expecting to meet you in another interesting video very soon. Okay, so have a nice time. Bye.